Welcome to OJB Fashion Style, and to our returning viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back. So kindly subscribe if you haven't and hit the notification bell so as to get every of our uploads. So today we are making a side ruffle butterfly ruched skirt. It's very simple, it's beginner friendly. It actually came out very beautiful, and I rocked mine with a black singlet. You could rock yours with a top. You could match it with a blouse, a simple fitted blouse. You could match it with a yellow colored t-shirt, body fitted t-shirt. So whatever it is that suits you. So please ensure you watch the video till the end, and for more details on the measurement, kindly check the description box. We'll be back shortly. You're welcome back. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the notification button so as to get every of our uploads, and please do well to subscribe and like our videos. Then also, if you have any comments, you could leave your comments below in the comment section. Thank you. So for this particular video, I like you to note that in the making of this skirt, there is no slit at the back. The skirt does not require a slit at the back. So I like to apologize for cutting or trimming that part of this video. I was actually editing and I trimmed it off, and it was difficult for me to re-edit it. So please forgive me. So please do not make a slit. So you would notice that there is a portion of the top of the skirt that has a little cut. That is for us to indicate the part of the skirt that require a waistband. So that was why a little cut was done on the material to indicate the portion that requires a band and where the ruffles actually started from. So please take note of that. So at this point, we'll be attaching our elastic band from within the skirt on both sides. So you could use your affix pin to hold the elastic band at the beginning of the waistband and also at the end of the skirt so as to be able to fix it properly. So this is basically all that we need to know in the making of a side ruffled butterfly rocket skirt. It's very simple. So at this point, I can actually say we are done with the making of the skirt. So all that is required is to place our zipper and then close the skirt to the end of it. So that's all. Thanks guys for stopping by today to watch today's tutorials on OJB fashion style. You could leave the comments below in the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye.